Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your mornings are as hectic as mine, you're going to love today's video. I'm going to show you a super simple, delicious, and quick breakfast recipe that you can whip up in just 10 minutes. Perfect for busy mornings. It's healthy, filling, and only needs a few basic ingredients you probably already have at home. For this recipe, you'll need 2 eggs, 1 slice of bread, or tortilla if you prefer a wrap, 1 small tomato, 1 to 4 onion, a handful of spinach, salt, pepper, a little oil or butter. Optional, cheese, chili flakes, or herbs for extra flavor. Start by chopping your onion, tomato, and spinach. Don't worry about perfect cuts, just a rough chop will do. In a pan, heat a bit of oil or butter on medium heat. Add the onions first and cook until they're soft. Then toss in your tomatoes and spinach. After a minute or 2, crack in your eggs. Give everything a gentle stir and add salt and pepper to taste. While the eggs are cooking, toast your bread or warm your tortilla in another pan. Once your eggs are cooked, pile them onto your toast or wrap. If you like, you can sprinkle some cheese, chili flakes, or fresh herbs on top. Look at that. It's colorful, packed with protein and veggies. And the best part, it tastes amazing. So good. You've got the creaminess of the eggs, a bit of crunch from the toast, and the freshness from the veggies. Make it spicy with green chilies. Add avocado for healthy fats. Use leftover veggies to reduce food waste. Try it with different bread, rye, multigrain, or pita, and there you have it. A quick, easy, and nutritious breakfast recipe that anyone can make in just 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs breakfast ideas, and subscribe for more easy recipes every week. Let me know in the comments what your go-to breakfast is. I'd love to try it.